Alright, now let's dig deeper and look at the other determinants that influence the demand for a good. We're going to start with looking at the average household income. The amount of disposable income available to households will affect the quantity demanded of goods and services. So basically, what we are saying here, the disposable income that you have will affect the quantity, or how much or how many you're going to buy of these goods and services. In most instances, individuals will tend to buy larger quantities when their personal incomes are higher, and smaller quantities when their incomes are lower. This is called the income effect. So again, what is the income effect? The income effect is when households or individuals have higher personal incomes will tend to buy larger quantities. And with these, individuals and households have lower personal incomes will tend to buy smaller quantities. Now there are two classifications of goods that consumer can purchase with their disposable income. One is normal goods, second is inferior goods. The effect of increased income is opposite for these two types of goods, and let's see how. Let's start with the normal goods. Purchases increase as income increases. Again, purchases increase as income increases. And of course, purchases will decrease as the income will decrease. What are the normal goods, or what does it mean? It means they are goods for which demand is directly related to income. And what does directly related to income means? It means that as income increases, demand for normal goods also increases. And as income decreases, demand for normal goods decreases. Let's take now a couple of examples of normal goods. They are new cars, clothing, and entertainment. What about the inferior goods? Purchases decrease as income increases, and purchases increase as income decreases. What does inferior goods mean? They are goods for which demand is inversely related to income. Meaning, when incomes fall, people buy more of these goods because they cannot afford to buy more expensive products, so they go back to basics. And what does inversely related to income mean? As income increases, demand for inferior goods will decrease because consumers are able to buy better, higher quality, and more expensive products and services. Let's take one example of the inferior goods, which is used cars. Now please note whether a particular good is a normal good or an inferior good. It can be determined by looking at the income elasticity of demand for it. We're going to look deeper at the income elasticity in the next lectures.